YouTube. Hey man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Fish back with another one, man. If y'all seeing this video, I want to know how was y'all day, because by the time this video posts, it'll be later on in the day. So I want to know how everybody's day went. If it was good, if it was bad. If it was bad, I hope your next day is better. If it was good, hey, I hope whatever you did today, it just continues to get better. Today's video, I ain't got a lot going on. I'm actually about to go help out a friend. About to go to a junkyard to look for something for a car. So about to do that, which I probably won't record much of that because I don't want to put it in the camera or anything. But I'm gonna go do that, and then after that, I'm gonna go find something interesting to do, something that I haven't did in a minute. Whether it's like go out like on a picnic or something, I don't know, just something therapeutic for my mind, bro. Just for me to get out the house and do something, because lately I've just been in the crib just chilling and making videos. Literally that's all I've been doing. So today should be an interesting one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into it. Yes, sir. All right, man. I just got done helping out my friend. It is currently almost like 5 o'clock. We've been out all day. I've been helping her get some stuff for a car. So I got that done. I did want to go inside this other Best Buy. It's this Best Buy that has this camera that I really want this camera, bro. And I have not been able to find it. And I'm supposed this Best Buy has it, but it's like, I'm trying to think if I should just go ahead and buy the camera now, or should I just wait? I'm not really sure. But I do have some good news about some things that I want to talk about, but I feel like at this point, I only really want to talk about it with y'all because like I just got too many, I got too many people waiting and watching and sitting around for my next moves, and I need to move smarter, which I've been known, like I've been to move smarter about my moves and what I'm doing, but I'm really gonna move smart. Like I'm not even gonna tell y'all what's going on anymore when it comes to tricking, bro. Y'all just gonna see what happens instead of me just telling y'all what's going on. So I'm not gonna give y'all the news that I have today on what's going on, but I need to go camera shopping before it's too late. And I gotta take care of some stuff military wise, because I have drill in a couple of weeks, and I gotta get myself situated for that. So I gotta take care of some stuff for that, handle some other things, and then after that, I'll be pretty much free for today. And yeah, that will pretty much be it. You know what, man? I'm just chuckling, bro, because I just got a phone call from a company, bro. A company that y'all been telling me to go to, bro. Y'all done told me CR England. Y'all done told me Western Express. Y'all done told me May. Y'all done told me the freaking companies in Chicago, all the little small companies popping, whatever. I done applied to all those companies, bro. I done made phone calls. They're not taking me, bro. I'm damn near blacklisted from getting inside a truck again, bro. And then on top of that, I'm being told that these companies are telling me that I have to go try another company, work for them for 6 months. How am I going to work for another company for 6 months if I can't get a job with another company for 6 months? Which means even if 6 months go past and I try to apply for a company, I probably still might be able to get a job because I done been out the work field for too long. So at this point, bro, I'm about to just say screw trucking, bro. Like I really don't have the patience to be, like, it's starting to stress me out with all this stuff here, and I'm not gonna be stressing out when I'm blessed, bro. Like I don't need to be sitting there stressing. There's other ways out here for me making money rather than stressing in the truck when shit can go back like that. Like, bro, no. This is freaking legitimately crazy, bro. Like, literally every company is calling me back, telling me that Swift is telling them that I was driving unsafe. Basically, they're telling them I'm driving unsafe. They're going into detail with these companies. I didn't even know you could do that. I didn't know that was possible. But oh well. Let me go inside Best Buy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm done speaking on trucking in general, but this will be my last time just speaking on freaking Swift and all this stuff. I'm done. I'm done with it. Like, I'm done with that shit. Fuck it. I'm going inside Best Buy. We finna just turn up, bro. We finna just have a blasted time on YouTube, and truck driving was cool and fun while it lasted, bro. But I'm just ready to move on with my journey, bro. Like, forget it, bro. I'm done. So let's go ahead and Best Buy, grab the stuff I need, or see if they have what I need, and then we getting out of here, man. All right, man. So right now I'm currently inside Best Buy. I'm walking around. I'm looking for the mics and stuff for the stream setup, because when I tried to get on stream, y'all said the audio was terrible. So I'm looking for a better mic that I could use that's not going to be terrible. I'm actually looking for one that I can like mount to my desk, but I have no luck right now. I low-key want to try this mic. It's $100 and something, but it really don't matter with the price. I want to try this, but I feel like this won't be good, because that I have a Snowball. Y'all know what a Snowball is? That's like the OG mic the people that streamers used to use. It was just an OG mic, and it just makes a lot of noise when I'm typing and stuff. The audio is very horrible. Like, I don't know what I should get. I should get something like this mic. And I didn't do no research on this mic, so I'm not even sure how good it is, but like, I need to find something that I can use. It's $149. It's right here. Maybe I should ask somebody in tech, like, what's a good mic to get for streaming. Maybe they'll know. Because I really want to get back into like streaming and all that stuff, but I just can't stand all my supporters telling me that my quality is horrible. So we're fixing that today. So let me go get somebody from tech and see what they gotta say. 1 second. Alright, well, I just bought a new monitor and I got a new mic. That's my first purchase for my stream setup. Next is going to be upgrading my PC, because I have a lot of things on my PC that I do not like. But for now, a new monitor. I didn't necessarily need a new monitor, but I wanted to get one because the one that I do have is like terrible, bro. Thank you, you too. The one that I do have for my stream is very horrible. The quality is terrible. I can barely see and read my chats and stuff. So I just bought a new one. And then the mic, hopefully this mic is good. Hopefully it don't steer me the wrong way, because I really want to take streaming seriously. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna go home, set this stuff up, and then I'm gonna probably get on stream later on today and chat it up with y'all. So I'm about to head to the crib. All right, man. I have to stop at a gas station, because I'm not gonna lie, I've been trying to burn out my gas in my car, because for whatever reason, the last time I got gas, my car has not been like driving like how it should. Like, I've been having a lot of throttle issues. I'm not like, it's not with my car. I think it's because the gas I got. Like, it hasn't not been performing well. So I done tried to drain majority of my gas out. Right now I'm down to 60 miles. And I'm about to fill it back up. I'm at a Shells this time, because the gas station that I normally go to, I didn't get gas there. I got gas somewhere else in like a little weird area. And the gas is a whole lot cheaper there when I got it. And I put 93 in my car. And from the time I put that inside my car was just driving funny. So I got it down to 60 miles, as y'all can see right here. I was gonna try to drain it even more, but honestly, my car has never been this low on fuel, so I don't know how much longer how much lower it can go before it starts acting up. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stop here at Shells, put this gas in it, and hopefully that can help what's going on. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go to a dealership and see if maybe some going on with my fuel. But yeah, let's get this gas, and then we gotta stop by Family Dollar. I gotta grab something from my room, and we go back to the crib. Yes, sir. Of course, somebody in my comments, this guy is so dumb, he even has to record while getting fuel. Blah 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 blah. Boy, y'all be killing me, bro. Y'all legit be killing me, bro. Like, I act like I don't know nothing about hazmat or anything. I know a lot about hazmat. I'm actually hazmat certified. That's what y'all don't know. I'm not certified on my CDL, but I know a lot about hazmat. I was in the damn military. Like, boy, y'all just be, ooh boy, y'all be killing me. But yeah, hopefully my car drives better. I still gotta take this side skirt off, because y'all remember in my last vlog, my other side skirt came off. Like, let me show y'all. And my car is dirty. I just got it washed too. But look, I remember the last time the last vlog, this side is off. It's actually, this side I can put back on, but I'm probably just gonna keep it off, and I'm probably gonna get a whole nother body kit. I really haven't put too much thought into it because right now I'm currently saving up to get rid of this and get my M3, which is coming real soon. I'm like super close to getting my car, like getting that car that I want. That thing is like, the one that I want, it currently costs around 90K, bro. So I'm saving up trying to get my money right, because when I buy it, I'm gonna do all my mods too. It's gonna cost me about a good 4-5K on mods. So I'm just saving up bare for that. But let's hope nothing wrong with my car, bro. This is a very lovely car. Like, I take pretty good care of it. I ain't missing no maintenance or nothing on it. I don't know what happened with the fuel, bro. Like, I really do not know. But from now on, I'm gonna stick to Shells and the gas station that I normally go to, and probably Chevron. I'm not going to no other gas station, bro. Had enough of that. But when I'm done getting fuel, we're gonna stop at Family Dollar, grab what we need, and then we're gonna head to the crib. So stay tuned. Bro, then I'm just ready to comment. Bro, why y'all so worried about my financial needs, bro? Like, I don't know how many times I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't necessarily need a job, I just wanted one. Like, what the hell? Somebody will come and talk about something. Are you paying for a car without a job? If I could not afford this car, do you think I'd be still paying on it? I would have been got rid of it. Like, bro, what the? Holy, bro. That was hilarious. Like, I appreciate y'all concerns, bro, but like, damn. I got me. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? What was I saying, bro? Yeah, I appreciate all your concerns, bro. If it gets to a point to where I can't financially take care of myself without a job, like without an actual job, then I go and get a job. But right now, I'm blessed enough to just live how I'm living, bro. Like, I'm blessed, bro. I'm genuinely blessed, and I'm not taking it for granted. I'm not taking it for granted. Like, I can lose everything like that, bro. I already lost a trucking job that I had. Even though they weren't paying good, I lost that. But I'm still able to make money outside of that. So I'm just staying prayed up, bro, and remaining humble, bro. Like, I gotta stay down for the come up, and that's what I'm doing. So I really appreciate y'all concerns, bro, but trust me, I got me, bro. I got me. Feel me? I got me. But yeah, let me head to this Family Dollar. All right, man. Right now we're inside Family Dollar now. I gotta grab this curtain. This curtain rod, or just grab a curtain because I need to put that up. I got like an open door closet, and I do not like how that look on my stream, so I need to get that covered up. So I probably need to get some blackout curtains. Let me get some blackout curtains, just simply for the my room. What size? 40. This is 84 inches. How long is 84 inches? I don't know. Let's grab it. I don't want to drag it on the floor, but we can grab it. Hopefully this does the work. So we're gonna grab this, and I don't need no curtain rod. I probably can just thumbtack it to the wall. That's kind of tacky though. Oh no, we just gonna thug it out with this for now. All right, man. I pretty much took care of everything for today. The last things I gotta do is go pick my sister up and then let her drive back home, and then I gotta put this tire on for my friend. So that's what we got going on for the rest of the day. It's currently what, 6 o'clock going on 7. So my sister should be getting out of practice pretty soon, and when she does, I'm gonna drop her back off home, and then we're gonna go change this tire, and that'd be up for the vlog. I'm probably gonna cut it now, or I might wait for when my sister when my sister drives back home to end the vlog. I'm not really sure, but it's been a very enjoyable day, bro. Like I done had a good day today, a very good day. I want to be getting good news and bad news, which I just broke it all down to y'all in today's video. But yeah, man, I really don't even want to, like, at this point, bro, as far as this trucking goes, bro, I really just think I'm just fed up with it, bro, at this point. Like, yeah, I made a mistake, but I done screwed myself over. But I just can't afford to be stressing over this, over getting a job when I already know my situations in life. Like, it's just no reason that this right here should have went this far. But like I said, I don't blame Swift. They did what they had to do. But it's just crazy how this all going down. And I don't apply to all these companies y'all telling me to apply to. I literally have over 60 plus applications put in right now. My phone has been going off non-stop the past like 2 weeks from companies, from you mentors, from drivers, from people that want to become truck drivers. Like, my phone goes off non-stop, bro. Even my YouTube goes off non-stop. Like, if I have not got back to your comment, it's because, bro, I'm constantly like reading through stuff, or I'm constantly on the phone, or I'm just busy as hell right now, bro. This is like a busy ass month for me, and I'm blessed and fortunate enough that this is happening. Like, all this stuff that has happened, I'm blessed. I'm taking it as a learning stone, like a learning stone, and I'm just gonna go and learn from it and grow. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sit here and just dwell and just keep going back into the past, bro. Like, it sucks that I can't give y'all no more trucking content as of now. Like I told y'all, this will not be the end of just me doing trucking, because eventually, bro, I do plan to get my own truck eventually and run how I want to run. Like, run how I would run and how I want to. But right now, it's just not smart for me to buy my own truck as of now. So yeah, I still, like I told you, I still have until the end of this month, October. That's what I'm giving it, bro. It's September 17th, as y'all can see. September 17th. I'm giving it till October 1st. And if companies keep telling me the same thing about this termination and I gotta wait 6 months to a year, I'm gonna be done with it. I'm keeping it real. Just keeping it real, bro. But I will indeed, probably sometime this week or next week, I'm gonna make a actual video on how to pre-plan, because I had people hitting me up on how I pre-planned and how I ran my routes when I was OTR or regional. I'm gonna make a video on that for y'all, so that for the new drivers, because the experienced drivers, y'all been in the business, y'all know what y'all doing out on the road, so there's no need for me to go over something that y'all already know. But for people that want to get into the industry and don't know how to pre-plan or pre-route, I got you, bro. I'm gonna just use my knowledge, and hopefully when I drop the video, I can have other experienced drivers like give their input on how they pre-plan, so they can help other people out in the future. But with that being said, man, woo, I love y'all. I'm just excited to just grow, bro. Just grow, and hopefully everything works out as planned with me being a content creator, because this is my dream, bro. Like, I'm really chasing my dream right now, and I cannot afford to allow anything to get in my way or stop what I'm going after. So this is what I want to do. This is really what I want to do, man. But yeah, man, I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Your boy Fish out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast. We've been dormant inside, but that come with intensity. V3 said I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range.